Welcome to my channel by Juicy's Chin. Learn English to Hindi through Tagalog translation. Stepmother, stepmother. Madrasta, madrasta. Sotilima, sotilima. Stepfather, stepfather. Amain, amain. Sotilabab, sotilabab. Stepsister, stepsister. Kinakapatid na babae, kinakapatid na babae. Sotilibahan, sotilibahan. Stepbrother, stepbrother. Kinakapatid na lalaki, kinakapatid na lalaki. Sotilabab, sotilabab. Daughter-in-law, daughter-in-law. Manugang na babae, manugang na babae. Baho, baho. Son-in-law, son-in-law. Manugang na lalaki, manugang na lalaki. Damad, damad. Sister-in-law, sister-in-law. Bayaw na babae, bayaw na babae. Bobby or Gitani, Bobby or Gitani. Grandfather, grandfather. Lolo, lolo. Dada G, dada G. Grandmother, grandmother. Lola, lola. Daddy G, daddy G. Grandchildren, grandchildren. Mga apo, mga apo. Naati, naatin, naati, naatin. Grandson, grandson. Apong lalaki, apong lalaki. Puta, puta. Granddaughter, granddaughter. Apong babae, apong babae. Puti, puti. Father-in-law, father-in-law. Biyan ng lalaki, biyan ng lalaki. Sasur, sasur. Mother-in-law, mother-in-law. Biyan ng babae, biyan ng babae. Sas or maji, sas or maji. Brother-in-law, brother-in-law. Bayaw na lalaki, bayaw na lalaki. Sala, sala. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Thanks.